Right. So I think I find the problem, but they finally test. So Paraguay again, I had some technical difficulties with my gimbal, but I just only tweak and I did only test. So I think I find a problem, but time will tell. All right. So we finish off with the video, starting from Vernon Street to I think the beginning of Cemetery Road after the cemetery. I'm telling you one thing, it's very hot. No joke right now. Real hot. Morning. Sorry, man. You ever see people give side eye? See that one a lot in New York. When they see it more and more, yeah, they on the side eye. So that one, they call it country taxi stand back in the day. But now they seem like they rename it because they watch first stop taxi. So we got the police where they do some patrol. So usually people would come off of the bus in the morning and this place will pack up. And right by the taxi stand they would have come off and then they would have in different destinations. Don't know. So this is the one of the gas station where they're side by side. Morning. Respect. Remember when you had this hurricane? Never did come. Huge hurricane mess up Honduras and the area. Can't remember what his name. My house right back at Mendoza burned down. Hurricane he come. Then you had heat. Never no joke with heat. Morning. Yeah, so when I say when lead jerkiness may happen, so I just get it back to the correct setting. I'm the one now like I don't want to behave itself. So when I had that lead issue, it seemed like it knocked out the setting, so I had to set it back. So it worked fine for now. And just one money tight. Yeah, I think I know that what. And like I said, it's like a test video. I post this, but this is a test video. Make sure that the game will work proper. So this is Symmetry Road. Once again, it's hot. Second October. Very humid. So right now it feels like 93, more or less. Seriously hot. Whew. Drink some Gatorade. So I South Street to the pass. across there, I'm in lumber yard. Old lumber yard. So one of the houses there where no age. I remember that one young. And this well, I passed here several times. Roger Stadium. Not any right there. End the video right in a Raga Stadium. I may mention in my hat. My goodness. Woo. So this is the Raga Stadium. Yep. Downstairs at the gym. At one point I used to join a gym, but the reason why I stopped, yeah, a long time. Get to a point where people get real possessive and like a big show too. So, do my workout home. Nowadays, you stay out a problem when you hang by yourself. For real. I'll chat about that in our next vlog too. Alright, take care, stay safe, man. Thanks again for subscription, view, comments. Hey, big up all my viewers from around the world. Love you. See you soon. Let you know it's on site and song.